What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. Today, I'm coming at y'all with a hat unboxing. I know I just opened like 10 hats like a couple weeks ago on the channel. If you haven't already seen that video, go check it out. I'm gonna be cracking open these two boxes with y'all today. But first, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, show us small YouTubers some love. I really appreciate all the love y'all been showing this August. And just in general, the channel's been growing at an amazing and organic rate, which is what I strive for, to build just a good community over here. And y'all are really awesome, and I see that every day in the comment section. So I just wanted to give y'all a quick thank you. So the first hat that we are gonna get into today, I've actually been waiting like a year for this one. I'll go ahead and put the exact dates on the screen of when I ordered it and when I got it. It was a pre-order and then it was delayed because of COVID. This is from the Clink room. I have been sitting on this one for quite some time. Once it came in, since it had been so long, I wasn't in a rush to open it. So it's just kind of been sitting here, you know, with the odds and ends and this newer hat over here. So I'm finally cracking this open and we're gonna look at my first Clink room hat together. If you're not familiar with the Clink room, they basically take like fitted hat community designs or just like community submitted designs and they turn them into hats, which I think is really dope because, you know, MLB fitted hats are one thing. I think it's cool because it's something that's just different than what I'm always buying. You know, I always pick up MLB fitted hats. I do buy some NBA hats. I don't really show them on the channel like that, but I do buy some NBA hats. And this is just, you know, different from the both of those. So there's a card in here. It says, "They're here, thanks." Yeah, I really didn't have a problem with waiting on this. I mean, occasionally I would be like, damn, that hat is really taking a long time. But I just kind of understood it was what it was with COVID. What I will say about the Clink room is the pre-order process was easy and I didn't have to email them and wonder, where's my hat? You know what I'm saying? This is, I guess, a kind of review for y'all who haven't ordered before. I did not ever have to wonder, where's my hat? What's going on with my order? Did they cancel the design? What's happening? None of that, because you have basically like a link to that particular hat because they make a lot of hats. It's like Friday pre-order and they close on Sunday or something like that. Not really sure. I forgot. But I think the designs like have like Fresh Friday and then they close on Sunday. So basically when you order, you get your order confirmation and all of that stuff, but you can go on the website, find the hat that you ordered, and then it will update with like status updates. So you'll see like design approved, or these hats are shipping, or here's the estimated shipping date. Like whatever the case is, I didn't have to hit them up and be like, oh, where's my order? Like, is it gonna come this week? Is it gonna come next month? Like, what's happening? I never had to question it because they made it very, very simple to keep up with. If y'all remember that Mag Park pre-order that I ordered a while ago, I love the hats, but the pre-order process was very tricky where it was like they were kind of saying, oh, the hats are being shipped out and I didn't get my hat for another 3 months. So I had to email and be like, hey, what's going on here? I didn't have to do that with the Clink room, and I just appreciate that peace of mind, I guess. But that aside, I feel like I'm rambling, but I do want to let y'all know the process for the people who haven't ordered and are wondering, you know, when will I get my hat? So it did come with a pin. Let's start there. It says Clink. Take a look at that. There it is. There's a sticker in here. It says, cancel your pre-order from the Clink room so I can buy it when it arrives. That's funny. Here it is. Yeah, I know it's tricky. It's got to be tricky for the stores because it's like, you know, everybody loves a pre-order. Everybody loves a pre-order because, you know, everybody gets what they want. No fighting with the bots, no fighting with whoever. But then it's like people cancel it and people just don't know how to act. You know what I'm saying? So it's probably very difficult on the stores as well. Oh, there's another pin in here. It says first run original. There it is. Let me let it focus for a minute. There's some more stickers in here, Clink room. All right, so a lot of goodies included. I don't know if that's because the hat took a little bit more time, so they throw some extra stuff in or not, but either way, it's appreciated. Let's go ahead and open this up. It is an off-white crown. And I believe this was like barber inspired or something like that. So you can see it has like a B, but the top of the B is a razor blade, like a straight razor. There that is. And I know when people are ordering online, because you're seeing mock-ups, you're not seeing the actual hat. It's kind of like, okay, I don't really know how this is going to turn out. Just trust the process. Trust the process. They've been doing it for a long time. They know what's going to look good, you know? Off-white crown. Showed y'all the front logo. Here's the size. You got the Navy New Era flag. The Clink Room logo on the back. Navy button on top. This is a navy top bill. The top of the B, or like the straight razor, is silver, by the way. That's metallic stitching. It's actually really nice. And so are the accents. So here's the bottom of the razor, and there's kind of like some silver detailing in there. There's some silver detailing at the bottom, and there's also like a silver shadow around the rest of the B. It is a size 7 1/8, so they did send the correct size. I would have hated to have to wait that long and they, you know, make a oopsie and send me the wrong size. But it is the right size. Let me check the inside. 7 1/8. All right. This UV kind of has like a metallic effect to it. I don't know if this is like a satin silver. It's definitely not the standard gray. Yeah, I'm gonna just say like it's a satin silver, satin gray. That's what we gonna go with. That's the vibes. Y'all can kind of see that. Hopefully y'all can see that. There it is. You can see like the reflection a little bit. Black guts. These are New Era hats if you didn't, you know, get the point already with the New Era flag on the side. These are New Era hats. They're just not MLB hats. So that is my first Clink Room purchase. I will probably pick up more. I just have to pay more attention to the like Fresh Fridays or whatever they call the pre-order Fridays when they come out, because some of the designs are pretty cool. I just usually miss it because I'm doing other stuff. But yeah, the Clink Room, I'm really happy with my purchase. If you have been wondering whether or not you should pick something up, just go for it, try it. Now we're gonna get into this one, which is also my first purchase from a store. But it's a very popular store as of late. Okay, presentation. Presentation is key. This is a good start. Let me get this out of here. The box is like a really good fit. So here it is. Y'all can see Crown Legends all over the box. That's dope. It's like one of those window boxes. I just don't want to give away what it is too soon. I feel like, you know, design work is good when it has you looking at teams that you don't normally look at. Now I have a couple of Boston Red Sox hats in my collection. But this one's different. So this is from the Ritz Cracker collection that they did recently. It's the Boston Red Sox, like I said. Say brown crown, brown top bill. Y'all can see the inside of that B, like a yellow color. And then you got the red outline. The inspiration is on point. Blue button on top. But that side patch is very different from me. Very different. Y'all know I probably never say never, but I will probably never pick up one of those Red Sox hats with the socks on the front. It's just not my style. I like fashion caps, you know what I'm saying? And this allows me to have, you know, that the socks actually on the hat, but it's not on the front of the hat. It's on the side. And this I can deal with. I think this is a really nice side patch. And it's one that I don't see too often. Or maybe I just haven't been paying attention, but I haven't seen this side patch used too much. Because World Series champions, 2004, yellow, red, blue, some white in there. Clean. Flat baddie on the back, red, blue, and white. The New Era flag kind of has like a two-tone thing going on, yellow and blue. Like I said, execution on point. Like you can't tell me that this doesn't look like the peanut butter Ritz crackers. They did that. They did that. Red UV on this one, and it has the nice sweatband too. Okay. All right, Crown Legends. All right, I've been paying close attention to them, but now that, you know, I received this hat, the shipping was very timely. I'll say that as well. And it's got the nice sweatband. 7 1/8. They sent me the right size. I might have to purchase more often. This hat was made in China. For the people who care, that's what it looks like. That's what the crown is looking like. Made in China. Y'all let me know what y'all think about Crown Legends, if you ever purchased from Crown Legends, and if you've ever purchased from the Clink room. These are the 2 pickups that we unboxing in today's video. A different type of heat, but heat nonetheless. Because when I pair this up with something, I'm sure I'm gonna have people asking, hey, where did you get that? And this one, this is just a great hat. This is just a really nice hat. If you enjoyed today's video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, and I will check y'all out in the next one.